Rebuilt in a HSV GTS-R theme, we caught wind of Paul's VS Commodore at the recent Holden Drag Nationals. This was a factory 6-cylinder car, but it's nice to see the Holden V8 in its place. The 355 stroker still retains the iconic banana manifold, but is boosted by a Vortech V3 blower that spins up to around 14 psi. For that little bit extra grunt, a 75 horsepower nitrous wet system is fitted. This is all still governed via a Delco ECU. Backing it up is a built 4L60E box and a full spool 31 spline Borg Warner rear end. Hats off to Paul for building this car himself, it's proven to be a winner.